For those who rely on eye gaze technology to interact with the world around them, being able to browse the web, play games, and connect with the world is extremely important. The problem is that most websites are designed for people who use a mouse and not eye gaze technology. Most websites rely heavily on pull-down menus and small buttons and links, which means that those using eye gaze are extremely challenged to navigate them. And some online games like Solitaire require you to click and drag, which means you can't play them. Other games just lack the simple layout needed to perform well for eye gaze. This is why we have sponsored the creation of Gaze.Fun, a free website designed to make a variety of games and resources accessible to those using eye gaze technology. As you can see, the buttons are big and the layout is simple. Users can effortlessly click a button even if they're not perfectly calibrated. Gaze.Fun will continually add new features, but so far the site contains an easy-to-use solitaire game that doesn't require you to click and drag. You just simply select a card and then select where you want to place it. The site also contains an easy-to-use doubler game with large arrows to slide the tiles. Gaze.Fun also has resources like the Holy Bible, with large buttons that allow you to easily bring up any section of the Bible. Gaze.Fun's newsfeed has 6 categories: top headlines, sports, health, business and finance, technology, and entertainment. Once the user selects a category, the user will be prompted to select a media source. Users can then simply scroll through the newsfeed, find an interesting article, and easily click on a large heading to go to the article. Once you're finished reading the article, simply click the back button on whatever browser that you are using to go back to Gaze.Fun. At any time, users can navigate back to the homepage of Gaze.Fun by clicking on the Gaze.Fun logo at the top left hand of the screen. To submit an idea for Gaze.Fun, send us an email at info@visuals.tech.